Hello, this is Rochelle, and this is a lecture to show you how to sort. So if you watched the workbook lecture, I carved this out just to make sure that people know how to sort. So here is a set of data, and it's organized in columns and rows. So you have all your information along the top, and then you have all of your rows. So the easiest way to sort is to highlight what you want to sort, making sure that there's no blank row between the headers and the data. And then you're going to go up to data, and then you're going to pick sort. You can use the up down arrows, but I want to show you how to do it from sort. When you pick sort, it will ask you what you want to sort by. So if you down click and you've highlighted the way I have, the headers of the information show up. So if I want to sort by the supply item, and I pick supply item, and it's going to sort on the values. You have other choices, but you can sort by color, etc., but we're just going to do values. And then you want to go A to Z. So we're going to say OK. Notice now the supply items are in alphabetical order. Notice it brought everything with it. I'm going to undo it so you can see where it was before. Everything back. If you don't highlight everything, so it's easier since there's no data off to the side, just to make sure you got all of the columns. If you don't do it that way and you just sort off one cell, you won't pick up the information that goes with each supply item. So I'm going to do it again. Sort off. Okay, notice here. See this weird stuff here? The column headings aren't there. This says my data has headers. When I unclick that, I'm going to unclick it here. Now it pulled up that last row. So check here to make sure that your My Data has headers. If you highlight the headers, you need to click My Data has headers. If you don't, then make sure it's unclicked. Sort by, this time I'm going to say, okay, it's in C. I'm going to show you a couple situations that happen. Sort A to Z and say okay. And there it's in alphabetical order. If I highlight everything, and I say sort, and I say my data has headers, and now you see the supply item. So it's your preference how you do it. Just make sure you get consistent with how you want to sort. If you want to include your headers, mark my data has headers. If you don't, then that's fine too. It doesn't matter either which way. Let's go Z to A this time. Notice it goes up and down, and it clicks everything. So you need this to do part of this assignment for this for the workbook assignment. So that's how you sort. I think I show you filter in another lecture, but I'm going to go ahead and show you that real quick here too. In filter, if you highlight the row, the drop down arrows show up, and then you can actually filter by anything you want. So let's go over here and say I want to filter everything that's just each, and it makes a little filter box. And then, or I can come back and say select all, and I want to do anything that's a pack and each. Then it pulls all those. To get rid of a filter, you just highlight and undo it, and it goes away. So that's how you sort and filter off the data tab. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.